Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is get into yield farming, specifically ADA and Rise. So I want to help guide you guys step by step how you can do yield farming. So we have links for you. If you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, have you guys already migrated? Have you guys done any of the staking? How's your night situation going? So I definitely want to know. So guys, let's dive right into it. We have quite a bit to talk about and to get into, but this is a complete tutorial for you. Okay, so I haven't done this yet, but with the Moose's knowledge, we should figure it out. Keep in mind, nothing's financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So I've done a few videos already. If you guys go to the Crypto Moose YouTube channel, you will see 3 videos that are out as of recently on top of this one. So if you guys go to the link tree, this will be pinned in the comment section below, as well as in the description of every video right here on the channel. So guys, if you look here under Rise Migration Staking Farm, I will also embed the video throughout the week. So the Rise token migration, what's available now is that you can convert or migrate your Copy to Rise, because Cornucopia's rebranded to Infinity Rising. You can do this with your EVM, as well as, you know, if you're holding Copy on base, whatever it is. This is a Cardano tutorial. So guys, watch that video. It's already out, should be up here. ADA Rise Staking Vault, you can do that as well. So I believe I staked almost 45,000 Rise tokens, so earning 6% liquid. But now we're getting into yield farming, right? So yield farming is a little more complex. Basically, when you're yield farming, you're pairing 2 different assets. In this case, one that's a little more stable, one maybe a little less stable. So you're pairing ADA and Rise, and you're going to earn a yield. So you're pooling in money with other people, and when people make swaps, trades, you earn a yield on that. In this case, it's like 50% or more. So if you go here, you can see, you can also do this on Wi-Fi. I believe you can do it on Wi-Fi, but I chose that for staking. If it's confusing, just, you know, watch the video from the time code where I start to do it. Just saying, this is what we're doing right here. So you're not going to get 400%, but you could get, you know, 50% or more. So yeah, just get your wallet set up. Make sure to migrate first. I have tutorials on that. So let's get loose. Let's dive into it. So guys, go to the link tree. If you want to do yield farming, earn the best yield. Don't forget impermanent loss, etc. So Rise ADA farming, that's where we're going to go. So we're going to connect our wallet. It's already going to be connected. We are connecting our Lace wallet. So I have tutorials on that as well. Here we have 9,600 Rise and then some ADA. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our lowest amount for the pair. So in this case, we have just $90 USD worth of Rise. So we're going to pair that with $90 worth of ADA. So that's how you do yield farming. So under the farm page, okay, we have to provide liquidity. So we'll get into that, but we're going to type in Rise and we're going to see this pop up. So for 52%, and you're going to earn, I believe it's like 12% of one token, 12% of another. So here we're going to go to stake and we're going to add liquidity. Okay, so we have to add liquidity. And here we're going to go max Rise. Okay, we're not going to do max ADA because then we're not going to have enough Rise to fulfill that, I would assume. So if we swap, usually you could swap. But anyways, we're going to do max Rise. Okay, so we have less Rise in terms of USD value than ADA. So $89. We're going to go down, add liquidity. Okay, then we're going to sign a transaction. Keep in mind, I'm doing this for a tutorial. I would typically do a lot more because, you know, there's a cost involved every time, right? So boom, we're going to put in our password. Transaction submitted. So we'll see how fast this is. So once we have liquidity tokens, right, now we can get into farming, etc. So we can start, you know, doing things with our assets. So this is what DeFi is all about. I've always been a big fan of both Wi-Fi and Minswap as well. Okay, so let's just hit refresh. I don't know how fast this stuff is going to be operating. I would assume pretty good. Okay, so if we look at our LP here, okay, so our LP amount, what is that, 1.3 million, looks like the Moose's bank account. Just kidding. Pooled ADA, so we have 174 ADA, pooled rise 964. That's our estimate value. So don't forget impermanent loss. So if the value of rise goes up, then the value of what you're going to get back with ADA will go down, etc. So if you're going to get, let's say the price fluctuates in one direction. Let's say the price of ADA just starts to tank. I believe you're going to earn more rise to balance it out. Okay. So that's impermanent loss. So just keep that in mind. Basically, you can lose value in an asset if one just starts teetering too much. So there is risk to all this. I've done tutorials on it. I'm sure I could explain it better a different way. Okay. So what we can do is either add more, you could remove, you can go to your farms. Right now we have no farm. So we're going to go to farm, or again, you guys can go to the link, go to Rise ADA farm. So we'll even close out of that. And here we're going to type in Rise. Okay. So now that we have liquidity tokens, we can now, try to chase for a little bit of this rise. Okay. So here we're going to see our rewards. We have nothing now. We're going to hit stake. Okay. In here, using our liquidity, we can, do 50% of our liquidity, put it into here, etc. But we're going to do 100. Just dive into it. Stake. Boom, 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 boom. Shouldn't be that hard. We're going to read that, confirm. Just a small transaction cost. It's worth it for the tutorial. So let me know, guys, if you are doing this as well. So all done. All right, so it's snoring there, whatever. So soon we will see some rewards that we are accumulating. So ADA has been pretty quick. There we go. So we can see that we staked LP amount, so liquidity provided. We got $178 worth. But keep in mind, when we go to withdraw all of this, the price of Rise or ADA may fluctuate. So you may not get back exactly what you put in, but it should be around the same, right? So there we go. So there we go. We're earning some rewards. So on top of that, if we go to, the staking, we can see our vaults where we're also earning. That's with the different wallet. But if you guys want, when these vaults become available, some are 30 days, 90 days, you can earn a more generous amount. But in this case, you're just going to earn a little bit. So that's how you yield farm. And you can, get a crazy APR, annual percentage return with Rise. Okay, so guys, let me know if you did this. Let me know if you're excited. Keep in mind, I believe your rewards will be Min tokens, ADA, and Rise. I think that's what it'll be. So just keep that in mind. Or in this case, it may just be Rise. And if it's 52%, that's pretty good. But keep in mind permanent loss, etc. Guys, hit up the link tree, pick up a hardware wallet, protect your crypto. The majority of my assets are always going to stay on hardware wallets. So here we have a Tangent wallet. We also have a Ledger, Trezor. Guys, use code Moose, pick up a Tangent. There's also the holiday box. So I should have done that in the other videos as well. Guys, so much coming in the near future. The goal is 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. If I have to make 4 videos a day, I will. The Moose will get loose. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Get that 53%. We'll see you when we're rich.